Welcome to Ecn Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, it would seem the Bulls are back in the game as the Australian dollar rebounds and extends from Friday's rally as the US dollar's momentum dwindles after a softer sentiment and steady inflation figures were released from the PCE. Nevertheless, today's eyes were all on the RBA, with the rates being left unchanged at 3.6%, as widely expected, signalling caution despite inflation easing into the 2 to 3% band, and the unemployment near full employment. Policymakers see conditions as a temporary sweet spot, but rising energy costs and strong wages keep them wary of deeper cuts. Markets are now pricing in just a single possible rate cut in November, while all eyes will be on the US this week with non-farm payrolls report, keeping a very close watch on the numbers as there has been weak, that is from 51,000k forecast, and also unemployment holding around 4.2%. Also eyes is on the government's shutdown on the 1st of October, which could delay the release of the non-farm payrolls, so keep an eye on that as well. So from the bullish candle that we got here, close to a dragonfly doji, two strong candles come back into play. Bullish RSI, keeping an eye on that MACD, and looking towards 66 figure 5. We're right there now. A break above there could see further rally onto 66.5 and reassess. The euro also picking up its stride as the RSI breaks back above the midway point and looking towards the top side target now of 117.45.70. A break above there will give further scope onto 118 to maybe even the highs, and still see any pullback limited. The dollar yen, well, the market's been crushed once again. Bulls are always trying to attempt to squeeze the market up, but never sustains, as we can see here over the last couple of months. And now looking for a further fall since breaking the level, a key point of 148.80, which has opened the way back to 146 or to about 145.5. With the technicals also bearish, gives little upside gains. Sterling also picking up for the third day and looking on for a rally to 134.75.90 to 135.5. And gold also rallying hard as the risk of a US government shutdown that has boosted safe haven demand. And also with eyes on the non-farm payroll, and also Fed speakers has made safe haven demand very much an appetite. We are overbought or overheated ADX, so there's caution still there, but still looking on for possible $4,000 an ounce. See if we can get there. Finishing up with oil. Once again, weakness after that gravestone doji come back into play, but I believe still the range is likely to hold around this 61.5 level and bounce back to the top side call at $66 where it was rejected. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intro report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.